Can a fake instant tan develop flawlessly without patches in just 1 hour? Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name's Hayden and we've got another review today. Before we unveil what it is, I know you already know because it's in the title, I pay for everything out of my own money, so this is a first impressions based on my thoughts and opinions. It is not a sponsored video. That being said, we are looking at a fake tan from the brand Bondi Sands. Now I have looked at the brand before. I do believe that we did a moisturizer review a while ago, and I am familiar with their fake tan, the foam, as well as the topical rub-in cream solution type deal. It's the first time I actually saw this at my local supermarket. It was not super cheap. It was up there in price. It was around $29, and I will do the little conversion down the bottom. And for that money, you get 200 mils of product or 6.76 fluid ounces. It is Australian made. So what exactly are we doing today? Today I'm putting the Bondi Sands, the Technocolor Sapphire, for a natural cool tone to the test. This is designed specifically for people who want a natural cool tone tan without the orange undertones that usually happens with fake tanners. Bondi Sands claims that this can develop in as little as 1 hour, in which you then rinse it off, pat it dry, and you're good to go with a radiant cool toned tan. To find out, I'm going to apply this to just one arm, the arm that I'm holding it, my right arm, and we'll use the left arm as a control to see if there is visible results after an hour. So I've got the website open. According to Bondi Sands, the Sapphire range uses what's called Sapphire technology and is designed to produce a natural cool tone tan while helping reduce the orange appearance that some self-tanners create, which I mentioned before. It's marketed toward fair skin tones and claims to provide a natural looking result while also including electrolyte hydration. Now there is another one that they do for a natural olive kind of tone, a deeper one. The key selling point though is 1 hour express, which we will test. As little as 1 hour, you get a tan, you shower it off, and you still develop a visible tan. Now before we begin, let's take a look at the arm in question. I am quite fair. I'm a naturally fair person. You can see my hands are quite white. My arm, this is my right arm, and this is my left arm. The one with the watch is the one that's not going to have any tan. That's underside, that's the other top side. Top side, underside. Both arms are fresh, clean, and free of any moisturizers or anything else that may counteract the ingredients that's in the self-tanner. So we're pretty much good to go. I'm just going to go and grab my mitt because I'm not about to make my hand orange or tanned. I've done that once before. Now I do actually have one of their mitts because I fake tan. I'm a group fitness instructor, and as you can see, I'm quite white. I don't naturally tan, so I rely on a fake tan that I do once a week to not make me look like Casper the Ghost on stage. Let's take a look at instructions. There's only really 3 steps to application. Step 1, for best results, ensure your skin is clean, like we've already done, free of any moisturizers. Step 2, pump Bondi Sands into a application mitt, apply to body using long sweeping motions. Step 3, after 1 hour, shower with warm water and gently pat dry. For best results, leave on the skin for a minimum of 3 hours. Now we're not going to do that because it claims in 1 hour. That's what we're testing. I do like the packaging. It's kind of like a diamond shape. I don't really see that very often. And you can see that it's got a little sticker on the back. It hasn't been used before. And as you twist it, it rips the sticker. A ginormous pump. Give it a shake. Now I am just going to go to the elbow. We'll give it 3 generous pumps. That looks dark, in my opinion. It says to use sweeping motions. Can't forget the hand. We will do that as well. All right, I think that is applied. I do instantly, you can see that there is a fake tanner on my arm. It has changed the color of my arm, and you can automatically see that color where I stopped applying. The color's already starting to develop, especially in areas where I do have a bit more drier skin underneath. I didn't actually get up to there though, so I don't know what that is. Now the foam did feel kind of cool to the touch. It was nice going on. It has your atypical fake tan, apricot, soy sauce kind of a scent to it. Surely they got to come up with better technology where it doesn't always smell like that. I feel as though I did a good job applying it. It does look quite evenly coated. If you have used other Bondi Sands fake tanners before, this is pretty much feels the same. Sorry, they're foam fake tanners. It feels the same. All right, we're going to set an alarm. It is 12:31 p.m. right now, and we'll be back in an hour to see if there is any visible difference before I wash it off.
A few moments later.
And there we have an hour later. Before I go wash it off, as per instructions, let's take a look at what it looks like after an hour. So here is the arm without any product on it, the one with the watch, and then the one with the product. You can see where I didn't get the knuckles. In your opinion, does it look even? I would honestly say, to me, that's a little darker than a cool neutral tone. It's definitely a lot warmer than my usual color. My first thoughts, I don't really like the fragrance, but I don't like the fragrance of any fake tan. They all have that same apricot, soy sauce kind of a vibe going on. The guide color, when it went on, it did what it was supposed to do. I was able to visibly see where my stroke marks were, so there wasn't anything overlapping. I don't see any patchiness whatsoever. I haven't obviously washed off the excess as yet, but also remember to note that the color that we see on my arm is likely to be the guide color, not the visible tan. The truth will come after we wash it off. You can see some of the color coming out. Looks a little darker as it goes under the water. Okay, I've washed the product off exactly according to the instructions, gave it a little pat dry, and here's the moment of truth. You can see a lot of the color has come off, so it's not that golden, deep tan that it was before. The funny thing is, I don't really see a lot of difference anymore. Even on the hands, if anything, because you can see how white my hands are, this one has a bit more color to it. I mean, you can see that there is a slight tan on here. So I take back what I said previously before I washed off the excess. It is a natural cool toned tan. So does the Bondi Sands Technocolor Sapphire neutral tone self tan live up to its marketing promises of a 1 hour express tan? What I liked: easy to apply, pleasant texture, fast application process, natural looking results, and also no orange undertones that I am picking up anywhere, even on the dry parts like on my elbows. What I didn't like, I've already mentioned, is the scent. Even after washing it, it's still got a slight tinge to it. Surely someone out there has got to come up with a better scent. And also, even though I said that it is a natural looking tan, there isn't a lot of difference between the arm I did and my actual arm. So the color payoff could have been a little bit more intense. Now, will it be different if we do it overnight, which is usually what I do? I'll put my tan on and then I'll kind of let it bake overnight using old pajamas and old sheets, and then I'll wash off the excess in the morning. So maybe it's a different story, but we were testing the 1 hour express, which for me, the 1 hour express answer is yes. It did actually do what it was supposed to do. There's no orange undertones, and it did give me a natural looking, albeit kind of on the fair light side, but it did give me a natural looking tan. If you're looking for a quick tan because you got an event coming up, you forgot to go get a spray or anything like that, and you don't want to do an overnight process like I was talking about before, then this could be for you. If you have tried this product before or anything from Bondi Sands, let me know your experience. I'm always keen to hear if it's the same as mine, if it's different, because no one's skin is one and the same. Thanks for watching, team. If you enjoy honest reviews, you know what to do. Make sure you do it, but most importantly, stay tuned.